Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use vidIQ in PC. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, you need to go ahead and open up your web browser and then open up vidIQ website or app.vidiq.com. And then once you're in here, just log in with your account. Once logged in, to fully access vidIQ for your YouTube channel or your YouTube account, you just go ahead over to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines or three dots depending on your browser. Go ahead over to extension and visit web store. In here, just look for vidIQ. Click on vidIQ Vision for YouTube. And then just click on Add to Browser. Okay? Click on Add. Wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, vidIQ Vision for YouTube has been added to Brave. It will say right here under your extension section. So what you do next is just go ahead over to YouTube and refresh the page or open it up fresh. Okay. And then you'll be able to see it update right here. vidIQ is now available. All right. This right here at the top is basically your channel stats. So on the left panel, you have data ideas, more tools, thumbnail preview. And when you go ahead and go to your YouTube studio, you should be able to see vidIQ pop up as well. Okay. And when you go ahead and upload a video, vidIQ right here will give you or support you with suggestions on what this specific video needs. Okay. Basically completes your SEO checklist. And that is basically it. Or you can go ahead and go back to a vidIQ website right here and you can find competitors or research. Let's say you're trying to find a keyword for Rockstar or Rockstar Games right here, as you can see. Go ahead over to videos right here and you'll be able to see a ton of future competitors. Say, for example, this guy. So this specific channel right here only got 1.5k subscribers. If we were trying to look for a range on how many subscribers should our competitors should have, okay, at least 5k. So 5k subscribers below that is my competitor, all right, or this channel's competitor. So for example, this one, or let's find Rockstar Games right here. There you go. This one's pretty hard to beat, 55k, hard to beat. This one is pretty easy to beat as it's in this channel's range. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on this option and add it in as your competitor. And then you could go ahead and remix the title right here and remix the thumbnail. But what I would do is I would go ahead over to the left panel right here. And then I'm going to click on Create. Okay, let's go. And just basically copy the specific title. Okay, so for example, you have here your competitor section. All right. You can just go ahead and easily copy the title. Go to the left panel, click on Generate or Create. Okay. Generate right here. Paste. Generate. It will cost you 10 credits. This is the title from our competitor. Now it will give you a suggested title, description, and the tags. Okay. And that is basically it. That's how easy it is to use vidIQ in PC. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.